On Mama Soul Kitchen, we have a question from someone and Granny has the answer.
Welcome with Cooking with Granny and Momma Soul Kitchen. Today we're going to go over a question that we had on TikTok. Okay, now they said, how do you cook a pot of greens in a full pot of water? Let me tell you something. This is not a full pot of water. This is a half a pot of water. And plus we had 12 bunches of greens. Now, if you looked at the video and paid attention, we went on and used ham hock and bouillon flavoring paste. Okay, that's the secret to Granny's smacking garlic greens. Okay, now everybody do their greens differently. I understand that, but don't be questioning my greens. This is how my recipe is. This is how I do it. My stuff has flavor. Okay, flavor. Now, some people fry greens, some people boil greens, some people steam greens. Whatever it is, this is my channel. This is how I do it. Now, we have nice pot liquor that's left over, and you can pour it over your cornbread and your rice or whatever it may be. But nobody complains. You eat it and you enjoy it for the holidays. Now, you also have another recipe in the Mama Soul Kitchen Cookbook. Ooh, grandmother, you need to calm down. I'm not calming down because back in the old school days when people don't let people up in their kitchen, and then you let them in, and then they complain. Then they say, oh, I don't do it like this. I don't do it like that. Look, I'm just sharing with you guys different ways of how to make collard greens. This is my second recipe, how I do it, and I want you guys to enjoy. That's all. We ain't about criticism. Oh, about this, how about that? Let me tell you, back in the old days, we used to have curtains in our kitchen because it was nobody's business what we was doing in the kitchen, okay? The cabinets had our seasonings in it. Sometimes we would turn our back around to face the other people so they won't see your special seasonings that you put in your stuff because they really want to know, oh, how do you make it like that? How you make it taste like that? Because they be nosy, okay? They want to know. So we're showing you how to make Granny smacking collard greens, okay? Now, if you guys go ahead, you can look at the recipe. It's going to be the description down below and also on here at the end of the video. But I want you guys to enjoy. Now, drink that pot liquor with that cornbread, y'all. That's right, Grandma. So, make sure you guys follow us, like, share, and subscribe below. We have a lot more coming soon.